Hello everybody, Brian back with the Cardano ADA update here. Wow, what a massive dump this morning, huh? Good thing we were expecting a pullback. We talked about yesterday's video about this ABC, and fortunately it didn't drag us much lower than what we were expecting out of this thing. We take it to a 1-to-1 ratio on that ABC. It only took us down an extra, what was it, half a cent, maybe something like that. So it looks like we found good support here. We'll dig into this chart and the RSIs here in a second and see what to expect, but I wanted to go over this with you guys. Bitcoin drops to 29,000 in a sudden sell-off. The slide, which followed a huge market sell order, and just wait, it's massive, flushed millions of dollars worth of futures positions. Says Bitcoin slid more than 3% in 15 minutes during European morning hours on Wednesday, taking the largest crypto by market cap below 30,000. Further declines took it down to 29,000. While the sell-off didn't appear to stem from any fundamental reason immediately, it didn't. Bitcoin looked fine. Besides the RSI stochastic on the daily was getting high, but it says here an unusually large sell order on crypto exchange Binance and an unexpectedly high UK March inflation figure of more than 10% may have influenced market sentiment. Also in the mix, the so-called long squeeze. More than 25 million in futures were liquidated. Longs or bets on rising prices made 98% of the positions. The hotter than expected UK CPI may have weighed over risk assets, including Bitcoin, but the gravity of the reaction has been far, far more severe than in other asset classes. The senior analyst told CoinDesk, using the acronym for Consumer Price Index. Seems to be more of a leverage washout. Binance OI and Bitcoin USD perpetuals fell 5.1% in 15 minutes. Effects more severe in Ethereum with larger liquidation volume than Bitcoin, Lund said, referring to open interest or the total number of contracts in the futures market, and also to perpetual futures contracts. Listen to this here. Prominent pseudonyms crypto Twitter trader at 52K Skew pointed out $16,000 Bitcoin sell order, worth over $467 million at current prices, preceded the dump, which may have initiated the long squeeze. I would say that definitely initiated it. 16,000 Bitcoin is unusual size to be market sold solely from Binance Spot. Usually the kind of sale happens before bad news comes out. That's what he tweeted out here. Interesting sell-off. Yeah, that 16,000, I mean, if somebody's going to get rid of 16,000 Bitcoin and they're expecting a dump, they're going to do it, a little gradually, so they don't tank the price. It's kind of odd. Liquidation refers to when an exchange forcefully closes a trader's leveraged position due to a partial or total loss of their initial margin. It happens when the investor is unable to meet the margin requirements for a leveraged position, meaning they don't have sufficient funds to keep the trade open. Large liquidations can signal the local top or bottom of a steep price move, which may allow traders to position themselves accordingly. Yeah, pretty crazy, huh? Wanted to read that to you guys. But here's the crypto bubbles. This is the top 200 coins. And if you haven't yet, guys, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that very, very much. We got a couple little green bubbles here. Here's one, Seller Network. And here's the other one right here, stablecoin. So, it's better than none, I guess, right? The top 100. Okay. Oh, well, hey, there we go. We got BitTorrent up 26%. It's popping off here. This is for the hour, the hourly. Wow, yeah, last hour BitTorrent out of all coins. What's going on there? It must be just it's time to go, I guess. It happens. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is down 4.08%. Volume is up 25.7% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is still rising, up to 44.4, and somehow we're up to a 63. We were at a 58 yesterday in the Crypto Fear and Greed indicator, And this is from CoinStats. It's not just a something I googled up. These guys are legit. So here's your top 100 from CoinMarketCap. Now if we refresh this, let's see if anything changes. There's BitTorrent, the new one, right there. Okay. Well, we got one in the green so far and 2 stable coins. But if you look on the right, there's the rest of the top 100. Go down through here. Yeah, that sell-off was pretty crazy. I woke up this morning and looked at the charts and thought, holy cow, what happened last night? But all right, let's go through ADA here. On yesterday's video, we were totally expecting this, okay? We were expecting that A, B, C. Okay, this overextended just a hair because of that sell-off. But you can see over here, we would have ended right there. It sell-off, it took us down a little bit, but didn't end up affecting, ADA a whole lot. So let's go through these RSIs. And you can see even down there, boy, there was a large sell-off on ADA there too. I mean, look at that sell order right there. That red candle. I wonder what was going on there. How much was that? 6.2 million Cardano. Wow, that's a lot. But anyway, let's go through and look at these RSIs. Okay, the 4-hour is down at the bottom and reset, bullish, 3.4, 2.69. The hourly is on its way up. Okay, the 2 is down at the bottom, or daily is on the way down. Okay, so either that's got some down pressure to it and could bring us back down to this trend line, or maybe that's going to spin back up. It's hard to tell. The 8 is at the bottom. You can only look at what the charts are pointing out to you and give it your best go. Out of 8 coins yesterday, got 6 of them. 6 of the calls right. You can't get them all. It just don't happen. The 12 is on its way down and almost reset. So overall, ADA looks strong, looks healthy. This support is holding up fantastic. So I will check back with you guys tomorrow. Thank you so very much. God bless all of you. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you all have a great night.